I'm V. Sriram. I have been writing and researching the history of Chennai for several years, and I also bring out the magazine Madras Musings. Uh, 17 or 18 years ago, Mr. Mutaya, Vincent D'Souza, and Sashi Nair introduced to us the concept of Madras Day celebrations, an idea that the city should be celebrated. And I'm very happy that in the last 17 years, it has really become a major event with so many people volunteering to come forward and putting their own interpretations of what needs to be celebrated in the city. I hope it grows in the coming years, and I wish everybody who is celebrating the very best in the year to come. This year's Madras week will be between August 17th and August 25th. Madras Day is usually celebrated on the 22nd of the month. Happy Madras Day.